Hello everyone. So welcome to the part 4 of this particular problem 4.8a, and we have been doing in the series of videos, and this is part 4. So if you had not seen part 1 2 3, please go ahead and look at part 1 2 3 and then come to this part 4. Okay, so in this we finished all these steps. We finishing journalizing and posting to ledger, preparing trial balance, journalizing the adjustment, and even posting the adjustment entries to T account we have completed. Now preparing the adjusted trial balance. Okay, so preparing trial balance was on part C, and now here it is adjusted trial balance. So you can again, if you are following this thing, so this is the unadjusted trial balance, and these are the adjusted entries, and these entries, adjustment entries, have been posted to journal ledger here. From this journal ledger, now I am going to get the adjusted trial balance. Okay, so let's start doing that. You can pause the video now and go ahead and try doing this adjusted entries in the trial balance, adjusted trial balance, and you can check later. Otherwise, I'll be working on it and you can have a look at it. Okay, so the process is same. We'll start with the company name, clean window, washing ink. The company name, and then 31st July 2014 is the date, and now we say adjusted trial balance. So if I go one page back, here it is unadjusted trial balance. Now we are having adjusted trial balance. Okay, so the accounts are same. So just I will say account, debit and credit. So here I have serial number. First one is cash. So now cash, accounts receivable, all these things. So I don't want to waste your time. I will just simply pause the video and then I will get all these entries done. Okay. So if you are ready, so let me pause this. And then the moment I unpause, you will be getting all the entries here. Okay, 1 2 3. So here it is. So we got all the accounts. I just copied the same accounts from earlier unadjusted trial balance to the adjusted trial balance. Now we will copy the actual balances of debits and credits, and it will be interesting to see what are the differences. Okay, cash remains same, so cash will not be adjusted because adjustment entries are not cash transactions. Adjusted entries will be affecting the other transactions. Now accounts receivable will change 6300 because accrual basis. So accounts receivable now has a debit balance of 6300. Supplies have reduced, so supplies have become only 320. Okay, so I will have supplies to 320. Now prepaid insurance has reduced 1650. Okay, so because of the adjustment entries, so equipment remains same, but accumulated depreciation of the equipment will increase. Okay, so if you see accumulated depreciation has a credit balance of 180. Okay, so I will put under the credit 180. Okay, again be careful, don't put under debit balance, put this under credit balance. Now accounts payable remains same, 5400. Okay, so then salaries and wages payable. Now salaries and wages payable is has changed with a credit balance of 400. Next, common stock remains same, 12,000 of credit balance. Then retained earnings no change. Dividends 600. Okay, so retained earnings same. Dividends same, 600. Income summary no change. Okay, so service revenue. So here service revenue has increased to 7,900 credit balance. Okay, so 7,900 of credit balance. Maintenance and repairs expense remains same, 290. Salaries, supplies expense 580, and depreciation expense 180. Insurance expense 150, I remember. So here it is. And finally salaries and wages expense 2,400. Okay. So these are my totals now after the adjustment entries have been considered. Okay, so let us check and see whether what is our new trial balance. Okay, so let me get my calculator. So 180 plus 5400 plus 400 plus 12,000 plus 7,900. So 25,880 I am getting. So let's check whether this is correct. So 5410 plus 6300 plus 320 plus 1650 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 290 plus 580 plus 180 plus 150 plus 2,400. So exactly same 25,880. Okay, so this is the adjusted trial balance after considering the adjustment entries. So now we have enough information to make the financial statements. Okay, so that is the whole purpose of doing this. So we have done all these things, making adjustment entries and creating adjusted trial balance. Now based on this sixth step, now I can make the financial statements. That is three statements: income statement, retained earnings statement, and the classified balance sheet. So those three statements, financial statements, we will see in the next part of this. So I hope you are following this series of lectures, series of videos. So this is the part 5. Okay, so again to repeat, part 1 we did 1 2 3, part 2, part 3, part 4. I think this is part 4. So let's go to the next one, that is part 5. See you in the next video. Thank you.